Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So, let's get started. So, this is the forecast chart of DXY, and as we all know, the DXY is flying right now, trading at almost 104. Couple of months ago, we didn't imagine that DXY would be trading at 105, and right now we can see that DXY is almost about to break the last resistance. Yes, almost about to break the last resistance and about to fly again. We have many new events coming up this week, so there is still a possibility that by the end of the week we may see some sort of correction on the chart of DXY, and if the fundamental factors again support the flying of DXY, then obviously we will see DXY breaking 104, and we will see pressure on the pairs like Euro USD and GBP USD. So the next steps of DXY will be extremely important for the forex market overall. So please keep your one eye on DXY. Right now DXY is standing at resistance, but overall DXY is extremely strong. So as a result, there is a possibility that market will be breaking and going up. In case DXY comes down also, that will not be a trend reversal. Keep in mind, for trend reversal, we need an inverted V pattern. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the DXY reacts this week. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD that you all have been waiting. Right now market trading at 1.0515. This is the current market price of Euro USD. The most important support on the chart of Euro USD is this level, 1.0480 to 1.0470. This is the most important support zone on the chart of Euro USD, and we have derived this important support from the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of Euro USD, and you can see that for the 2 consecutive weeks, last week and before that also, Euro USD has been respecting this level. Overall, we know it very well that Euro USD is under heavy selling pressure, but still Euro USD is trying its best to stay above this level. What does it mean? It means that strong buyers are still present in this level. So if the market remains normal, okay, then we can expect that market will be respecting the level. But if any news comes out, because we know it very well that the war is still going on, if any news come out and DXY breaks 104 level, then obviously we will see Euro USD under pressure and it will break the level and start going down. Okay, so things are quite critical for Euro USD. So considering the present market scenario, if no news come out, then we can expect market to reverse from this level. So if market comes to this level and bounces, if you see market showing price rejection from below, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern or any good price rejection from below, bullish engulfing pattern, we get the confirmation that the weekly support that Euro USD has been respecting for the last 2 weeks is still valid, and we can definitely go for a buy position if Euro USD bounces from here. Confirmation will be extremely important because DXY is extremely bullish. On the other hand, Euro USD, we all know that it is very weak. And in case Euro USD breaks this level, if Euro USD breaks this level, and if you see that the selling pressure is high enough, how to determine this high selling pressure? Observe the size of the candle. If you see that Euro USD is going down, forming big fat red candles, we get the confirmation that the selling is high enough. And if you also get the additional confirmation of DXY, let's say DXY is going up, Euro USD going down, breaking the support, then we can take a sell position as well. So our observation, yes, listen to me carefully, our observation in this level will be extremely important. Okay, do not take any blind position because it's your hard-earned money. It's your responsibility to protect it. Follow proper risk management and take decision according to the movement of the market. If market bounces, we can go for a buy. If market breaks it, then we can go for a sell as well. Okay, and we can easily expect a selling pressure of around 100 pips. Below 100 pips we have another support, but I do not want to discuss today because not important for today. So our observation in this important support will be the most crucial thing. And in case market goes up, the first resistance will be around 1.0590, 1.0600. This will be the first resistance zone. Keep in mind, this resistance zone is not a very strong one. This is for mainly day trading purpose only. So if market goes up, because we have already witnessed good selling pressure around this level, so we can expect the market will reverse. If market reverses from this level, then we can take a sell position as well. And in case market breaks also, because this is not a strong level, if market breaks it, then the next important level will be 1.0640, 1.0650. This will be the next important resistance zone. Overall, this is the only important resistance zone for Euro USD. This is for day trading purpose only. So if market reaches this level here, okay, we can expect market to face selling pressure again. If we see market reversing from the resistance zone from this level, we can take a sell position. But keep in mind, any analysis can be wrong, my analysis can be wrong as well. Please follow proper risk management and take your own decision. Okay, hopefully I've understood. Bye bye, take care, see ya.